Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Sporty, compact, and full of advanced technology, this is Škoda's concept for the urban crossover of the future. The study takes characteristic features from the successful Škoda SUV models, reinterprets them and transfers them into a further vehicle segment. The Škoda Vision X is celebrating its world premiere at the 2018 Geneva International Motor Show. Compact proportions, short overhangs, and precise lines emphasize the agile and sporty nature of the concept car. In its interior, the Škoda Vision X boasts innovative infotainment technology. A special highlight, the Škoda Vision X's particularly sustainable drive concept combines a CNG and petrol-powered engine with an electric motor, providing spontaneous power delivery and increased agility, and allowing low CO2 emissions of less than 90 grams per kilometer. Emotive design, modern drive technology and full connectivity. With the Škoda Vision X concept study we are presenting our vision of a modern urban crossover, said Škoda CEO Bernhard Mayer, adding, the exterior design provides a concrete view of the third member of the successful SUV family. With this model we will attract even more customers to the Škoda brand going forward. The Škoda Vision X can be identified as an SUV from the long-established Czech brand at first glance. With the new urban crossover, Škoda Auto is taking the next systematic step in its SUV strategy. The Škoda Vision X embodies agility, versatility, and driving pleasure both in urban traffic and when venturing off-road. With its compact exterior and interior dimensions as well as advanced infotainment features, the design study orients itself perfectly towards the modern lifestyle of active target groups. Outdoor excursions and leisure sport activities are the environment in which the robust and compact urban crossover demonstrates its strengths. The concept car provides an insight into a future model that, following the successful launches of the Škoda Kodiaq and Škoda Karoq, will continue the brand's SUV campaign and round off the smaller end of Škoda's SUV family as an urban crossover variant.